All right, so Michelle baked some cupcakes for her school's bake sale. Michelle sold 189 cupcakes on the first day. She sold more cupcakes on the second day. Michelle sold a total of 300 cupcakes in both days combined. How many cupcakes did she sell on the second day? All right, so we're going to start this off by bringing out 3 of the 100 blocks. This represents the 300 cupcakes that she sold in total. Now, I'm going to go over here and we're going to write our number sentence. So, 300. Okay. Michelle sold 189 cupcakes on the first day. So if we subtract the 189 that she sold on the first day from the total that she sold in both days combined, we can find how many she sold on the second day. So by doing that, we need to start with subtracting the ones. Well, we can see right here that there's no ones right here, and there's none ones down here. So to break this problem down and to get some ones, we can decompose this 100. So we're going to break this up. All right. Well, now we have 10 tens, but we still don't have any ones. So we need to break this up one step further by breaking the 10 block up and making 10 one block. 10 ones. All right, so now, guys, we need to rewrite this problem. So instead of 0 ones, we now have 10 ones. Instead of 0 tens, we now have 9 tens. And instead of 3 100s, we now have 2 100s. So now we can do our subtraction. So we're going to take 10 ones and minus 9 ones. So here's our 10, so we got to minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that leaves us with 1 1. All right, now we're going to take, we have 9 tens, and we're going to take 8 tens away. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we will have 1 10 left. Next, we have 2 100s. And we need to take away 1 100 from them. So, we have 1 100, 1 10, and 1 1, which makes 111 cupcakes that Michelle sold on the second day.